So let's see what I got on sale today at Home Depot. Pretty exciting stuff. These plants were some of them on my bucket list that I wanted to get, and I'm so happy that I got some of them on sale and got a really nice variety. Yes, they need help. Yes, they are bargains. However, they have potential. Let's look and see. Looky at all those gorgeous plants. What a nice purchase. Check this out. I got a sun sparkle. You know, I've never seen sun sparkles at Home Depot. Sun sparkle wildfire, deep pink, $3. Yeah, it was only $7, but this is the one that gets the bright pink leaves and pretty pink flowers. That's a keeper. So really happy with that. Lilies, lilies, and more lilies. We have dark red. I think I got 4 or 5 of these in the dark red. I am loving it. We're just gonna go through, yep. And there's like 2 stalks in each one of these, you can see here. So not bad. So you can make a nice grouping of plants when you get more than 1 stalk. So let's grab the rest of these dark red. Dark red, dark red. And I bet you those are more dark red. Let's check these out. Are these more dark red? Yep. I like red and pink together. It reminds me of Valentine's Day. You can't go without some red and pink together. They're just fabulous. And you can see here, there is some browning on the leaves, you know, and we need to pick those off so that the energy goes to the roots. Lupins. How often do you find lupins in a big box store? I mean, this is the first year I've seen lupins in a big box store. And they're gnarly. Look at, they're a bit on the gnarly side, but look at that. Rose pink and white, gnarly. So what do? We prune it up. And how are we gonna prune it up? Will this work? No. Although, wouldn't that be fun? You could use that, an axe, to split the plants though, like the Gaillardias there, but definitely not for this job. This job requires a nice set of pruners, but let's get these out of the vehicle first. Here's another one. This is purple. It's still got some life in it. We're okay. And they have really watered these. Lupins don't like to be overly saturated with water. If you ever try growing them from seed, they don't like it. Here we go. This one I was excited about. This is an orange, pink, and yellow. Look at that. Good life on it too, new shoots coming out of it. Here's another lily that I got. This one was in a bigger pot, $3. Regular $24.98, isn't that crazy? Pink and white centers. All right, this was a lucky find. This is Proven Winners, color-coded, frankly, scarlet echinacea, or coneflower. And this one will handle to -35, zones 4 to 8. Technically, we're supposed to be a 4. I bought it to give it another try. Coneflowers don't do well in my garden, but who can resist that? I mean, it's orange, right? You know my love affair with orange. And then look at this stack of Proven Winners in here. I mean, let's go into a little bit of detail on which ones I got. Once again, $3. And this was really great. They had these on a rack and they weren't marked down, but I could see they were looking like on their way out the door kind of thing. And so I talked to staff. She says, if you want some of that stuff, you come grab me and I will mark them down for you. So she stayed with me and we went through all the ones I wanted, and she even helped me pick colors. So I got a bunch of this Veronica. Violet blue, Magic Show, Wizard of Oz. Look at that, so pretty. Then we got Magic Potion here. Gorgeous pink, look at that pink. Isn't that stunning? Here's a different one. Look at that color. I think that is one of my favorite shades of purple. Quite honestly, this is Purple Illusion. I would highly recommend this one. Look at that. This is Magic Show, Pink Potion. Really pretty pink. More of the aha. This is the pink potion again. Light pink though. This is light pink. And this is staircase orange and white. That should be pretty. Don't think I've ever seen too many orange lupin, but it's possible. Now into the big stuff. Look at these Gaillardias. They even have a lot of color on them still. It's a shame to have to cut them back, but we might get another flush if we do. Arizona Sun for $3. Big pail. And the other one's the same. So the red lilies, I'm going to put right in here. We need some more color in this area, and that will bring the color to it. So I have 7 of them, so I'm going to pop them in here real quick. All right, that looks better. Looks like my camera moved on me when I was putting those in, but you can see how that filled up the area. We'll just scan out a bit. So there's all 7 of them. That should provide a really nice mixture of color with we got the peach firefly here, plus some red here, and then we have the natural white, we have the vintage white yarrow here. So good color here. I'm going to put the orange cornflower right there to offset and accent the yarrow in that area. I think that looks really good right there. That orange, if this plant survives, will really offset the firefly peach and bring out the color also of the daylily right here too. And then with the silver lamb's ear right down here, it should look pretty good. And for some reason, this lamb's ear comes back every year, yet in other areas of my garden, I can't get it to take. So I'm going to dig some roots out of here and move it to another area eventually. Right here, I need a spot of purple in here just to perk this up. So we're going to use the Veronica here, and we're going to use the purple illusion here. I really like the color, but these got to be pruned down and cleaned out because there is a lot of dead in them. This Gaillardia here needs a lot of help. It really needs a good pruning. So we're going to cut off all the dead as much as we can with the pruners before we put it in the ground. And this is Arizona Sun, which I think is really pretty. Even the seed heads look really nice. And this is going to get about 1.5 feet tall, so it's perfect for in front of a bed. But you can see here we have a lot of dead in here, so I'm going to cut this all back down here. In this corner right here, I am going to add some salvia here. And I really like this particular one. This is Sensation Compact Bright Rose. And this thing doesn't get crazy tall and it doesn't spread like some of them do, which is what I was removing and why I cleaned up this bed. This is only good to -29. I have found this will survive in a climate. I don't know that the -29 is exactly that accurate, but they are going to get 61 to 91 centimeters tall. I've never seen that with these. I'm still not done adding plants here. You've seen this area before, but now you can see the Gaillardias there and the yarrows. I've added some orange, dark orange yarrow here, and we have more white lilies. A lot of white lilies in this bed, surprisingly, but the white pops. We have some red yarrow here, some pink lilies in this area, and we have some hydrangeas in the back. They're all Annabelles, and I need to add 2 more. I have moved my liatris, and it's flopping right now, but once it gets watered, it'll stand back up. It's doing pretty good against the heat, though. I need to add, those lupins I purchased are going to go in here with the other lupins. And you can see the lilies are so stately the way they stand up. I actually don't mind them because of the darkness of the foliage. It actually looks okay in there. And then we have the firefly peach in this area because I've been moving plants around. We have a whole pile of yellow lilies here, Asiatics. And then I've been grouping my liatris, I've been grouping my yarrow. So that's the light pink back there, very, very light. And of course we have more white here. And then I've started adding orange in here, the dark orange for more color, and I think I'm going to bring another color into this area. So I'll probably come back with some of the Veronica in here, and maybe I'll run some other colors through there. I haven't quite made my mind up yet. A lot of time goes into figuring out where to put plants, but this is a good area for some more color in there. So that is how the bed is looking, and you can see if we just scan down, you can see how it is doing, and we're starting to see the pops of color in it. So next year should be a really nice show. And then probably here I need to add, I think I'll do some more clematis in here on the trellises, and that'll also perk up because there's 2 trellises I need to add something to. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you enjoyed my plant choices. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody. Bye.